everybody use our questions for the homework, and how much percentage you will say of these questions was coming inside in the real FIFA exam?
In all questions we did, in my case, 90%. But
really,
they were, yeah, but they were connected. They were connected to cases.
Yeah.
If you understand what I mean.
Yes.
You know, so when we are talking about solidarity mechanism or
FIFA status or something like that,
or a bridge transfer or something like that, or representation agreement, we all that had, but they are always connected with some cases, you know. So I can say, let's say 80-90% for sure.
Okay.
For sure.
Yeah. Thank you. We will also in the next bootcamp have more than 100 questions and homework, and we will also have some new questions from the new exam. And the start of our next bootcamp will be on the